Hello, I'm Johan.
I'm Sanna. And this is Ossi.
And we changed this.
To this. Because I want this.
Me too. Hi.
Hello.
Last time we did get the boat home to Vänersborg. But now we're gonna try if Ossi is liking to go in a small boat. Not the dinghy, but the canoe.
Yes, and after that we are going to see what Johan is going to do with the teak deck. So stay tuned.
Gonna go for a ride in the new boat. Ta-da. Gonna try Ossi. See where they... Well, I had to say Ossi because Emma is a bit scared of water. She didn't think she's gonna go out in the boat, but we'll see.
Kom här. Ja, kom. Så vänta. Han vill verkligen. Så, kom. Hoppi.
Kom igen.
Bravo!
Kan du sitta?
Nu kommer Matti också.
Well, we might fall in, so hold in the camera and no phones on the boat. Ja, den släppte den inte bara.
Oj, nu filmar jag vattnet.
Emma don't like this. It's a nightmare for her. But she seems to like it. She seems happy. Så att om Sanna vände på sig och så hade hund i knät emellan benen på andra sidan där.
Ska han kliva över?
Ja.
Så att det ramlar ner.
Nej.
Kom igen.
Hamnade igen.
Kom här. Nu sitter vi och så hoppar du i. Kom igen. Det går jättebra.
With just one foot in the boat, she's already seasick. She thinks. Så. Ja. Ja, men vi håller i bryggan och så sitter vi här och akklimatiserar. Det är inte, låt båden vara ute i vattnet bara.
Jag vill vara med och prata.
Känns det bra?
Nej.
Men nu är det stadigt. Ska vi prova?
Ja.
Nu är det kameran.
Är den på?
Ja. Emma släpper.
Ingen rör sig.
Ingen rör sig. Framförallt inte oss.
Sitt också.
Och sitt.
Sitt. Så ja.
Säg då att ni skulle palla kanot.
Jo. Sitt.
Kan du hålla ner? Emma's still nervous and we struggle a bit with the balance. But we're getting there. Då filmar nästa. Vi måste ju runt nästa också, eller?
Vadå runt?
Nej, ja.
Nej! Ja, men det kommer
Emma
fortfarande
can see the big waves. Can you?
Nej, men du får vänta den.
För jag ser inte. Nej men gud!
Du får inte skrämma Emma så.
My bum is very wet.
Vatt heter det väl?
Bum.
I'm dry. The Dalbo Bridge. Down there we were going by our big boat. Now we're going over the bridge.
Today I'm gonna try some products for what I'm gonna do with all the teak deck and everything. So I bought 2 different products here. I'm gonna test it today from Biltema. Some teak cleaner and some teak brightener. Let me see what it looks like, and I'm gonna try it on these 2. So I'm gonna clean it and I'm gonna sand it, and I'm gonna use the brightener. See what it looks like. Put it on 1:1 water and let it soak for 2-3 minutes. So when it's soaked for a couple of minutes, you then are going to rub it. Already looks quite nice. This breaks every time. Needs winter, I forget to take it inside so it freezes. That's different, I think. It's gonna be just cleaning it. It looks like that. So over to the teak brightener, and it's saltsyra, intense 10 seeds. Yeah, I don't need one. Gloves and protection for the eyes. Like that. And try it on the... You can do it a couple of times if you wish to have it more bright. But I'm gonna soak for 10 minutes and then you will just rinse it off. Now we're gonna see what she says about the different.
Oops.
One is
I
clean.
hope this one is clean.
Yeah.
Very nice. It's very big difference.
I'm happy. That's the color I want the whole teak deck to be.
Yes. It's
So
very
you
nice.
approve?
Yes, absolutely.
I think that's enough. Good. Just to do the other one. So now it has dried, so I can put some oil on. I have only a bit dried up oil, but we're gonna try it. And I have my supervisor.
And the second one, supervisor.
Yes. So now it can soak up the oil a little bit. And I'm gonna get some rags and dry it clean. Come back. I think it's gonna be easier on the deck. There is no thousands of holes. I'm gonna wipe it some more and then I'm gonna buy new oil. It's a bit more liquid and I'm gonna do it again. But now I can see how it's gonna look with oil, without oil. Time to go home for tonight. Let's see. Can we go hem? Ja. Hello. Kiss. So now the whole deck is cleaned. It took approximately 12 hours just to scrub it down. So today I'm gonna try to sand it and see if we can get some oil on here. So that's the next step. I got no land power yet, so to trust my battery machines. This is gonna take a long time. Many days. Just work on. And now I'm been sanding the whole area. We'll try and oil this. Teak oil. That's more like it for a carpenter. Here we're sitting. And it's getting colder and colder outside. So we're sitting here and looking back a few months when it was a bit better weather. But finished for this week.
Yes.
See you next.
Bye bye.
I had the most amazing day.
And remember, the only thing standing in the way of your dreams is you.